The benefits of having an LLC in California. Welcome to our video on the benefits of having a limited liability company, or LLC, in California. If you're considering starting a business in California, forming an LLC could offer you significant advantages. In this video, we will go over some of the top benefits of having an LLC in California. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. One of the main benefits of having an LLC in California is the limited liability protection it provides. As an LLC owner, your personal assets are protected from the debts and liabilities of the business. This means that if the business is sued or goes bankrupt, your personal assets, such as your home or personal savings, will not be at risk. Another benefit of having an LLC in California is the tax flexibility it offers. LLCs are pass-through entities, which means that the company's profits and losses are passed through to the individual owners and taxed at their personal tax rates. This can result in lower overall taxes compared to other business structures, such as corporations. LLCs in California also offer flexibility in management structure. Unlike corporations, which require a board of directors and officers, LLCs can be managed by their owners, known as members, or by a designated manager. This allows for a more streamlined and efficient decision-making process. Forming an LLC in California is relatively easy and straightforward. You can file the necessary paperwork with the California Secretary of State and obtain any necessary licenses and permits to start your business. LLCs in California offer a level of privacy and anonymity for their owners. Unlike corporations, which require public disclosure of their directors and officers, LLCs are not required to disclose this information. Remember, forming an LLC in California offers significant benefits, including liability protection, tax flexibility, flexibility in management structure, ease of formation, and privacy for owners. These advantages make LLCs an attractive option for small business owners in California. Plus, they serve as key reasons why, as of 2021, there were over 1.4 million LLCs registered in California, making up a significant portion of the state's business entities. In fact, California is one of the most popular states in the U.S. for forming LLCs, with over 100,000 new LLCs registered in the state each year. If you need more information about forming an LLC in the Golden State, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of forming an LLC? Which LLC benefit is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.